Celebrities have long been trendsetters in the world of fashion and beauty, and when it comes to hair, many of them turn to hair extension to achieve stunning and ever-changing look. Let's take a closer look at some of the celebrities who have embraced the world of hair extension and the style they have sported. Hi guys, Justin is in the house and today let's discuss about celebrities and hair extensions. Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian is a household name when it comes to beauty transformations. She's known for her sleek, long locks and she has been candid about her use of hair extension to achieve her signature look. Kim has experimented with a variety of extensions from extra length to add volume, and she often seen with hair that perfectly complements her outfits. Ariana Grande. The pop sensation Ariana Grande is recognized for her high ponytail, which achieved with the help of hair extensions. Her luxurious long ponytails has become her trademark, and she credits extension for helping her maintain this iconic style. Beyonce. Queen Bee is no stranger to hair transformation. She has been sported with everything from long beachy waves to short slicky bobs. Beyonce's use of hair extension has allowed her to experiment with hairstyle while maintaining the health of her natural hair. Kylie Jenner. As a member of the Kardashian Jenner family, Kylie is no stranger to changing up her look. She frequently turned to a hair extension to switch from short to long hair, often sporting colorful and vibrant extensions that match her ever-evolving style. Nicki Minaj. Rapper and singer Nicki Minaj is known for her colorful and dramatic hairdos. She relies on her extension to achieve her bold, unique looks, which often include bright and unconventional colors. Jennifer Lopez. J.Lo Long's voluminous hair is one of her most recognizable features. She uses hair extension to maintain that youthful glamour looks, whether she is performing on stage or gracing the red carpet. Celebrities have turned hair extension into a versatile accessory, allowing them to switch up their style and keep their fans guessing. These stars prove that hair extension can be a valuable tool to create diversities and eye-catching looks, and they inspire others to experiment with their hair to express their individuality and creativity. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K-Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.